it's day 19 of Advent of Code, and let's see if ChatGPT can solve it. So I will take the problem description. Let's see. Please solve the following. So I will attach my input file. Okay. And now let's see what happens. So this first part of this problem can be solved with pure recursion, nothing too complicated. I think it should be doable for ChatGPT. 359. And it's not correct. Whoa, that's a surprise. And that's incorrect. That's your solution. Okay. So now let's see if it can correct itself. All right, so it has found a more correct solution. And 268 is still wrong. Oh, it's off by 1. Ah. Let's give it another chance, but I am surprised. This seemed like a good problem for ChatGPT to be able to solve it. Okay, so it's not getting there. That is so unfortunate. Okay, maybe in the meantime, let's try to do it once more in a new window. Because this seems like something that should work. This is just weird that it doesn't solve it first try. This is not a hard one. Especially the first part is super easy. Okay, 267, and we are there. This is finally working. So you can see that it is, because this is not deterministic. This new chat with ChatGPT just solved it first time, whereas the first one was not able to solve it at all. Let's see if that is the case. We are getting some kind of completely wrong result there. So you can see it's definitely not working. Right, so this one is better. So this one worked, and we'll see if it's able to handle the second part as well. Okay, so it's doing its thing. Okay, this is dynamic programming, definitely. So it's has one way to construct empty design and trying to find ways to construct the next parts, and the result is 79644. Yeah, seems it solved it correctly. So I like ChatGPT was able to solve this problem, although we had to try 2 times in 2 different windows essentially to allow it for 2 ways to solve it, and the second one solved easily both parts. So quite interesting to see how important the non-deterministic nature of AI is in case of problems like these, which are actually very technical and deterministic. So you can see that once it gets off to the wrong path, it is not possible to return sometimes. And once it gets the solution, starts to solving the problem the right way initially, it is just able to solve it easily without any problems. So pretty interesting problem. We'll see how it goes for the next days. Stay tuned for those videos on my channel and see you then.